boy Kabisi, aka Mr. Easy. Thank you for Ottawa Mercedes Oakville to let me use their Mercedes C63 AMG today. This is a brand new 2018 C63 available right now for sale. I will put the MSRP right in the link down below. This AMG right here does not have the black package, has the active headlights, standard wheels from AMG. It has red calipers, standard also when you get the C63S. And this car is 503 horsepower V8 bi-turbo. I'm gonna take y'all around and show you guys more detail about this car. So I was saying, here we have the active headlights. This you cannot get a standard. The only one of them come as standard. The second one you have to pay an extra I think 100 or so to get the active LEDs, which is part of another package that comes with the car. But at first I'm gonna tell you guys what is standard on this car. The black on this car comes standard, which there's no fees on it, is $0. The Pilot Sport comes standard as wheels. The rims are AMG alloy wheels, and they're also standard because this car does not have the black package. As you can see, this car has all the chrome trims all around it. And as you know, V8 bi-turbo, 503 horsepower, and you have the big logo on the side right here, V8 bi-turbo. You have the red calipers, those come standard on the car. And if you want more brake power, you know, you can upgrade to the carbon ceramic brake, which is a lot more expensive, and I don't think you might need it. So right here we have all the chrome piece, as you can see, that laid onto the car all the way to the tail right here. And we have the C63 badge. You can delete those if you want to, you know, if you don't want that showing, you want your car to be low-key, you can delete that. Fenders to show the difference between the C43 and the C63 and the other C models. Quad pipe, and with the AMG badging on it right here. And these are not fake, by the way, it's not like my car. The backlight, you guys are familiar with that, you know. And right here, if you guys want to pause on it, you can see the fueling and all that. So now that we've gone around the car, I'm gonna pop out the hood in a minute so y'all can see what's under the hood, and then we're gonna go ahead with the interior and we're gonna talk about the interior. So as I'm sitting at the back of the C63S sedan, first we can see here that if I'm sitting and I'm driving this car, this will be my sitting position, and you have a little bit of leg room. And keep in mind, I am 5'10", so I'm not that tall, but you have a little bit of leg room here. Maybe if more sits at the front or something like that, maybe you might not be able to sit, but I think for shorter people, whatever, or kids, they might have space, you know. We have panoramic roof right here. We got one right there and one right here. I think they're both you can open both of them, but you cannot pop this one open completely. And here we have the red and black seat colors, and the stitching at all that, it's a package. So, and it has also the Burmisters sound system. And now we're gonna head to the front, and then we're gonna talk a little bit more about the front, which is the same as the GLC. If you guys watch my other video, I'm gonna leave a little card right here, and we're gonna talk a little bit more, and then we're gonna wrap this video up. So now, as we're sitting in the C63 2018 C63 sedan right here, we have these seats. First of all, are comfortable. Sorry about the plastic, y'all might hear this, but this is a brand new car, you know. And like, if you in the Ottawa city, yo, like the price I heard on this thing that I'm gonna tell you in a bit, y'all want to get this. You know what I mean? Like, this is a beast. The sound, I know I haven't showed you the sound yet. I always show you the sound, but you guys gonna hear it in a minute. Okay, so don't worry about it. You're gonna hear it. Okay, this seats, the red and black with the black interior, luxury. You know what I mean? And we all know Mercedes for this. It's luxury. We got the Alcantara in the middle right here. Like, first of all, this steering wheel, they're rigid. You know, you have the central point right here on where the wheel is tilting to. As you can see here, we have different pedals. These pedals right here are not on the GLC, the 43 AMGs, because like these are AMG, like the actual hand-built ones. So they're a little taller, but they all feel the same. I think this one a little harder even to feel. It feels more like, you know, quality, rigid. You know the clicking sound here of the air vents. Some of y'all already familiar with a lot of these things. You know, there's not a lot of changes on this. This is not the facelift. This is just the 2018. The facelift is also a 2018, but 2019. So y'all might see that next year, where the screen is a little flatter, and then you have this virtual display in the front right here. So we can see that this car is available with carbon package. This is a package, and you finally get the AMG badge right here, because this is one man, one engine built. So this is a full AMG package, C63S. So it's fully done. Now you see the red right here. We also know about the burnisters. Those are not standard. You have to get that package. So I'm gonna try to fire up the car. As you know, there's two ways to fire up this car. You have the button right here. If you do not have this button, this exhaust button right here, do not get this car. You know what I mean? This exhaust button, and don't think about gas. If you're buying this car and you looked at the map that was on the door right there for gas, ridiculous. Okay, you do not look at gas in this kind of car, because it makes no sense. You know what I mean? So right now that I've talked about the exterior, the interior, now we're gonna fire this up. I'm gonna let you guys hear a little bit, and then so also today I will not be able to drive this car because the sales manager is not here that gave me the approval. So I will be driving this car sometime in the near future. You know what I mean? So don't be sad about it or nothing like that, but I'll make you guys hear it. You know, I'm also excited. I want to drive this car, but I cannot today. I want to make you guys hear it so you guys are satisfied. So without further ado, let's go around the back. This is race mode, so you hear the bubbles.
Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you